Right now, inside your body, flows a fluid more important to your survival than your blood. A fluid that decides how fast you age, how well you heal, how clearly you think, how strong your immunity is, how much energy you feel, or even how long you live. It affects your brain, heart, muscles, skin, gut, and every organ, yet most people barely know it exists. It's colorless. It's silent. You can't see it. You can't feel it. But without it, you would collapse in minutes. Today, you finally meet the mystery fluid every human produces, and why it's more important than blood. Welcome to episode 5 of Unknown Discoveries about the human body. You already know your body contains blood. But here's the twist: blood makes up only about 7% of your body weight. The mystery fluid? It makes up over 60% of your body. Your cells swim in it. Your organs depend on it. Your brain floats in it. Your nerves fire through it. Your muscles move because of it. Your digestion, thoughts, emotions, and metabolism all rely on it. This fluid is not just water. It is body fluid, the master solution that carries nutrients, electricity, hormones, chemical messages, waste products, immune cells, and oxygen to every corner of your body. It is the medium of life itself. Your blood is like traffic, but this fluid is the entire road system it travels on. Without blood, you survive minutes. Without the mystery fluid, you survive seconds. So, what exactly is this fluid? The mystery fluid is interstitial fluid, the nearly invisible liquid that surrounds every cell in your body. Most people have never heard the name. Yet it is your body's largest internal environment. Think of your cells like fish, and the interstitial fluid as the ocean they live in. Every nutrient your body absorbs, every waste your cells release, every hormone that sends messages, must pass through this fluid. Your body is basically 50 to 60 trillion tiny creatures floating in a homemade ocean. You may wonder why this fluid matters more than blood. Your blood delivers things, but interstitial fluid decides if your cells can use those things or not. Here's how it secretly controls your life. 1. It determines your energy levels. If your interstitial fluid becomes slightly imbalanced, too acidic, too salty, too dehydrated, your cells cannot produce energy. You feel tired, foggy, weak, irritable. Not because of laziness, but because the ocean your cells live in is struggling. 2. It controls healing. Why do some people heal fast, and others heal slowly? The fluid around your cells controls the entire process: inflammation, immune response, tissue repair, nutrient delivery, waste removal. Healthy fluid equals fast recovery. Unhealthy fluid equals slow healing. 3. It protects your brain. Your brain floats in a special form of interstitial fluid, called cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid cushions your brain, removes toxins, delivers nutrients, protects your neurons, and lets your brain send electrical signals correctly. If this fluid becomes imbalanced, your thoughts, memories, and emotions instantly change. 4. It controls aging. Aging isn't just wrinkles or gray hair. Aging begins when the liquid environment around your cells breaks down. When the fluid thickens, becomes acidic, or loses structure, cells age faster. Healthy interstitial fluid equals slower aging, better skin, sharper mind. Interstitial fluid helps your body in the following ways. 1. Acts as your waste management system. Your cells produce waste every second. Just like how a city needs garbage trucks, your cells need a place to dump waste before it goes to the bloodstream for disposal. Without the mystery fluid to carry waste away, your cells would poison themselves. This fluid removes acids, toxins, metabolic waste, chemicals, dead cells, byproducts of digestion, stress hormones, inflammation triggers. If your interstitial fluid becomes loaded with waste, you feel it as fatigue, headaches, muscle tension, low immunity, water retention, random aches, skin issues, brain fog. Your blood cannot do its job unless this fluid does its job first. 2. It is the secret communication network of your body. Modern science just discovered something shocking. Your interstitial fluid is full of communication molecules that send messages faster than nerves and hormones. Your gut sends signals through it. Your brain receives signals through it. Your immune system communicates through it. Your stress system, your metabolism, your emotions, all pass information through this fluid. It is basically the Wi-Fi of your body. No fluid, no communication. No communication, no life. What changes this fluid, without you knowing? Everyday life shapes this fluid. Things that damage it includes not drinking enough water, high stress hormones, processed food, poor sleep, sitting too long, chronic inflammation, pollution, dehydration, high sugar intake. Things that improve it: drinking enough clean water, deep sleep, where your brain fluid cleans itself, reducing stress, moving your body, eating whole foods, deep breathing, lowering inflammation, reducing toxins. You feel better, not because you try harder, but because the ocean inside your body becomes cleaner, more balanced, and more supportive. So the next time you feel tired, foggy, heavy, sluggish, sore, overwhelmed, or randomly emotional, remember this. Your body might not be broken. Your willpower might not be weak. Your motivation might not be gone. Your cells may simply be struggling in the fluid they live in. This mysterious fluid, your interstitial fluid, is the quiet hero of your survival. It's more important than blood, because blood depends on it. It's more important than air, because air can't reach your cells without it. It is the hidden ocean inside you that keeps you alive. This is episode 5 of Unknown Discoveries about the human body. Stick around, the next one may just blow your mind again.